Hi guys, today we'll learn use of contra entry. As per accounting principles, contra entry indicates transfer of cash between one cash account to other cash account, or cash account to other bank account, or bank account to another bank account. So we'll see how it will work. To post contra transactions, go to accounting vouchers. Here right side will get options: payment voucher, receipt, general, cash, purchase. So we are in contra only. We'll see here. If you see, we'll get options only cash and bank transactions only. Cash, from cash to HDFC Bank. Some around 2000 rupees. Being cash withdrawn from bank. Here the transaction will from cash to bank. Okay, so enter. We'll see the balances. Display, account books, cash and bank. If you see here, 66,000 HDFC Bank balance is there, SBI Bank 60,000 is there. Now we'll post transaction between bank to bank. So we'll transfer some funds to from one bank to other bank. We'll see the difference. Come back, escape, escape, escape. Again go to accounting vouchers, contra. Here we'll see HDFC Bank, SBI. Here will transfer 2000 rupees. Here being amount transferred from SBI to HDFC Bank. Enter, enter. So come back. To see the reports, go to display, account books, cash and bank. Previously, before posting the transaction, SBI bank account balance is 60,000. HDFC bank balance is 66 is there. We transferred funds from SBI to HDFC 2000 rupees. Here 2000 reduced from SBI and the same added to the HDFC bank. So the contra entry used for transfer the funds from cash to cash or bank to bank. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.